We are going to make multi-purpose detergents, and this is one of the ingredients. It's called Ungeral. It's whitish and it's a bit slippery. Number 2 is called Ufacid. It's blackish in color. The other one, it's industrial salt. This one. Then we have Perfume. From Perfume, we have Sttp. We also have this is color, that is pink color. And then we have Caustic soda. Now we put 10 liters of water in our buckets. We start by putting Ungeral into an empty into the water. We are making 10 liters of our detergent. So that is Ungeral. Then we shall stir until it's completely dissolved in the water. We stir our Ungeral until it's completely dissolved in the water. Now our Ungeral is completely dissolved. We shall add our Ufacid. To the mixture, and then we stir until it's completely dissolved to the mixture. It's not hard for Ufacid to mix or to dissolve to the mixture, so it will take less time. This is how you check if your mixture has mixed. You check if you have some particles that have not dissolved. Like this one has completely dissolved, so we can go on. We now put our Sttp, and then we stir. This is not hard to dissolve. It takes less than a minute. The next step, we put our caustic soda. Even this one is not hard to dissolve to the mixture, so it takes less than a minute. We continue stirring. This is how our mixture looks like. Then we put our perfume. We add our perfume to the mixture, and we continue stirring. The next step, we add our color. We decided to do color pink, and then we stir until it's completely dissolved into our mixture. The last step, we add our industrial salts to the mixture, and then this salt is used to thicken the soap. So this is where our soap shall thicken. We stir completely until we don't feel any sediments. As you can see, our soap has started to thicken. Yes, our soap is becoming thick. This is our soap. It's still thickening. We stir until we don't feel any sediments. Now we empty our soap on an empty bucket, and then make sure you don't put the leftovers of the salt, in case you have some leftovers, beneath your bucket, because it will make your soap become light. Like that. Now that is our end product.